हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू पाकिस्तानी रियल रिएक्शन। तो कैसे हैं आप सब? मेरा नाम है मुदस्सिर।
हम मुबashir सुबह फॉरेनर आए हैं भारत में और फास्टेस्ट ट्रेन भारत की वंदे भारत में बैठे हैं। क्या इनका एक्सपीरियंस रहा है देखेंगे इस वीडियो के अंदर, बहुत ज्यादा मजा आएगा। काउंटिंग करते हैं 3 2 1 एंड स्टार्ट।
I love when the trains are already here and we're taking a train from the starting station because we can get in on time and take some photos and let's get on the Vande Bharat. We're here at the station in Mumbai and we're going all the way to Pune today.
पुणे जाएंगे हम।
बड़ी कमाल की ट्रेन।
We're all the way at the end because we're in executive class. It should be an executive class 1, seats 43 and 45.
एग्जीक्यूटिव क्लास।
Got it?
वाह यार, इसकी चेयर्स टोटली डिफरेंट है।
चेंज है ना, चेंज है।
एग्जीक्यूटिव टोटली डिफरेंट है। मैंने
The AC is
उससे
already
देखी
on.
है।
That's great.
सेम
43 and 45?
Yeah. No,
Hopefully it's 43 and 44. We're
That's
not
what I-
sitting together.
that's what I meant. 43 and 44. Oh wait, were there any luggage sections over there?
दोनों लग इंडियन रहे हैं ना भाई।
मुझे भी नहीं लगा।
Always have to remind myself that I'm the tallest person in the country. I already hit my head.
लेकिन है नहीं ना भाई।
Yeah.
Yeah.
मैं ट्रेन मस्त
Were
है,
there?
सच बोल।
No, it doesn't look
मैं
like
ये वाली पहली बार चेयर्स वगैरह देख रहा हूँ।
luggage racks.
सोफा
I mean, like
चेयर्स
behind the seat.
I don't know if they'll let us, because all there is this. But we have this big suitcase that's like
So
20
I don't
kilos.
think that's going up there, right?
No.
Or
I mean,
maybe-
it might fit, but it's gonna be too heavy for us to lift over.
Yeah, but what about all this space back here? You think that's just for them? What about this? All right, that's to the way out. That's the way out. That's the bathroom. Another bathroom.
Yeah. Maybe let's just put it there, and then they'll let us know if we're not allowed to. Well, just let them pass.
Sorry. Well, let me try.
There's no need for you to lift this up overhead if you don't need to.
कोने में रख देते हैं ना भाई। वो इधर बेटर है।
Yeah, I don't see why not. It's not like anybody's sitting over here.
मतलब बड़े
Okay.
सूटकेस के लिए इधर जगह बनी हुई है। हाँ भाई।
And then these we can put on top.
It has that new car smell, like legit.
Actually, leave that one down. That has my laptop.
बिल्कुल न्यू ट्रेन लग रही है। हाँ भाई।
This one?
Yeah.
ऊपर भी आ रहा है जाता है वो। सूटकेस के ऊपर भी आ
आ
जाता है।
जाएगा।
क्योंकि
Way more
बड़ी
space up
जगह है।
there than if you were on an airplane or something.
बहुत जगह है
For
यार।
sure.
हाँ।
And then this one up there too?
Yeah, yeah.
इसलिए आ गए, लेकिन वो शायद
नहीं,
सर पे,
बहुत कुछ है इनके पास।
लेकिन शायद पे वो रखना ना चाहते हो भाई यार।
Should I do it like this or spin it?
Spin it. How much good?
I'd be mad if someone did this on an airplane, but also
Yeah.
don't want this big old bag
Space
coming
बहुत
crashing
है।
down as we're going super fast. And then this?
Yeah, I don't think I need it right now.
बड़ा सामान है बाकी।
We don't typically travel with this from country to country, but when we're within country, that has like all our food items that, not food, but like things that we bought that we don't want to have to get rid of, like olive oil and vinegar and things that I know that we would need in our next apartment. So for a couple hours on a train, I don't mind hauling around that bag.
Right. Looks like we're relatively settled in here.
Okay, do you think you're gonna have enough leg room there?
I think that I should have enough leg room.
बहुत है यार।
Here it
भाई, ये
says
तो बड़ी
press lever.
खुली खुली है
open
यार।
footrest.
इसकी
I don't
सोफा
know.
सीट है भाई, बहुत बड़ी
Maybe
सीट
it's
है।
इसकी
Open
सीट
it
में
with
पहली
your
दफा इस तरह की
foot.
देखा। दूसरी से अलग होती
Yeah.
है।
भाई ये दरअसल
You don't get
एग्जीक्यूटिव
germs.
क्लास है ना, सबसे हैवी क्लास है।
लेकिन दूसरी की भी हमने येलो
So, yes.
और
It looks like there's a-
हालांकि भाई का ऊंचा
Usually I just have to
ऊंचा
put my
काम
feet
है,
like that.
लेकिन इनका
Sorry,
वो
sorry.
देखो कुर्सी बड़ी है उनसे। हाँ भाई।
It's got a briefcase,
Uh-huh.
serious strap.
Yeah.
All right, so this looks pretty good. I mean, I'm still, probably since I'm 6'1", I'm still gonna probably go like this. But just to take a break like this would be fine.
पीछे
That's
हो जाती है ना
relatively
कुर्सी शायद।
comfortable, but I still like when you have room under the seat to fully put your feet there. Like that's a cute little thing. How do you get it back?
Well, if you want to do that, you can sit on the aisle.
Yeah. Well,
Window.
हाँ उधर।
this one usually gets the window seat so she can see out, and I usually go aisle because then I can put my feet out like this. This one's a little unfortunate because I can't put my feet under there.
उस तरह करने के
But
लिए
if I
जगह
take
है, हाँ भाई।
Hatsi's window seat with my dirty shoes, I can actually extend my legs over on that way.
Press lever। अच्छा ये उसको करने का तरीका। Footrest।
Hands free.
I can sacrifice
That
the
is-
window seat today
chairs
if
बहुत
you
बड़ी
want
हैं
to
ना भाई।
take that area. Well, you can go try it first to see. How's that?
हाँ, मैं
Okay,
कर
and this
रहा
would
हूँ।
be much better. I think this is gonna have to work for me for today.
We're gonna explore and see what else is in the
लंबे
seats.
बंदों
I
के
see
लिए
a sign
stand-up
over here that
yeah.
says lift for. Oh yeah, snack table. Okay.
Oh,
No, maybe do you want me to sit so you can see it in action?
I'm really not learning here. This is the second time I already hit my head.
Yeah, that's pretty big. I'll probably. This is great because I do need to work on some stuff, so I can. This can also double up as a work table.
And you got 2 cup holders on there
There's a
too, right?
button.
I would imagine the button puts the seat back.
Yeah.
I don't think that's a brand new technology.
पीछे हो ये
No,
देखो।
but sometimes they don't work on
मजा
this.
आया,
Like,
हाँ
you should be stuck with whatever you are. And this is wide enough that we could put our seat back and the people behind us wouldn't mind.
Hopefully you can put your seat back and not hit the suitcase that we put behind this other seat over here.
Oh yeah, there's plenty of space there. And there's here for a water bottle holder too.
Where's the water bottle holder? On the side?
We're giving you a tour too.
हर चीज के लिए
हर
जगह।
चीज के लिए हाँ।
Okay, there's a button right here.
Keep going. How far back can you
You can
go?
go more. You can go more. Oh, there you go. Nice. Maximum, yeah.
Full
Someone
use
could be
कर
sitting right
दिया।
behind you and it's no problem.
Yeah.
Okay, India has the best secret cup holders.
सर, ये
Because on the
लेके
other
तुम
train
जब
there is like a
chair
secret
पीछे कर लो। हाँ भाई।
place to hold your
फिर इस तरह सारे
push cup also.
Nice.
No, you're fine.
You're
You're good.
good.
All right, what else we got? How's the headrest?
Headrest. Good. Yeah, it's cushiony. I like it. Oh, what's this? Oh, if you have jackets.
How's the footrest for you? Want to try it out?
Yeah, look, I have a backpack here, and I still don't like. There's plenty of leg space. So if you're like 5'2", like me,
इनके
then
पास हाँ,
you
इनका
got
कट
plenty of
छोटा है।
This is not the country for giants like me.
No.
But yeah, that should be just right for you. 'Cause you can fully extend your legs, right?
Oh wait, you can go like this too, babe.
Oh, okay. Maybe that's what. Maybe that would help
Maybe
me.
that'd be better for you. Yeah, right there.
और यार क्या सिस्टम रखा हुआ है?
मतलब दूसरी तरीके से
We're
ये
helping
साफ
out.
सुथरी है।
Oh, where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from India only, but I used to be in Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. Okay, that's where you live now.
So this is the first time that I came in India. Not first time. I mean, from past 8 years, I never traveled in on Indian locals.
Okay,
Like this. So I'm experiencing Vande Bharat
for the first
for
time.
the first time.
Nice. Where are you going today?
Today I'm going to Solapur, the last destination
Okay.
where my home is.
Oh, nice. You're gonna see
Where you
family.
guys are? Sorry?
You're gonna see family.
Yeah.
Nice.
वंदे भारत हमेशा बुक रहती है ना तो सीट्स मिलना हाँ भाई
Nice.
फिर थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है हाँ
Yeah,
भाई
this is the first time you come back to India since Abu Dhabi?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Not first time, but it's the first time that I'm going via train.
By train. Okay, nice. Yeah.
वाह
Just a new experience. Let's see
Yeah?
how
Nice.
things go forward.
Good, yeah.
So you both are not from Maharashtra?
No.
On your lineages?
We're just, we're foreigners. Everybody thinks I'm Indian.
Yeah, even I.
वही ना मैं
Maybe you gone outside and then you got your nationality changed.
Yeah, no. I'm Latin, Caribbean. India's been good. Yeah.
Actually,
Ethiopian है।
yesterday I was traveling to Kolkata.
बिल्कुल इंडियन जैसे
That
लगते हैं
train was so crowded. I was in 2 AC, second tier AC, and it was so crowded I literally came out
Oh, wow.
because I was experiencing that it will be a bit like this kind of picture.
Yeah.
But
This
I-
is better.
Yeah, this is far better.
What was your name?
My name is Prashant Pathak.
Prashad?
Pathak. Prashant.
Prashad. Okay. Kati and Will.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I think we need to figure out the power outlets. Do they? I mean,
Yeah.
I know that they work, but we can see how they work.
Yeah,
and stuff.
that's the last thing is the outlets right here. Not only do we have regular like USB, but you have the Type C and you have the plug-in.
टाइप सी भी है
So,
अंदर
whatever you have,
हाँ भाई।
I think you'll be able to plug it in.
Think about it.
हाँ
हम आ गए भाई। इसकी
मैं-
फेवरेट चीज और हमारी।
Choco pie.
इसका वेट था वो यार
Don't eat the choco pie. It's gonna trigger some
Yeah.
people.
हाँ
Too bad because we like it. We like choco pie.
Us and Luke are all about making
उन्होंने
enemies on the
लगता है अपने लिए नहीं
Vande.
लिया,
We're
हाँ
not
भाई।
eating choco pies. how dare something remind you of home and that be a good thing?
इसमें होता है ना सबको मिलता है लेकिन कोई रिजेक्ट भी कर सकता है इसको। हाँ भाई
Almonds. I like almonds.
Almonds?
बादाम
Almonds.
Hang on. Oh, we have 2 plates.
Yeah. It says,
नहीं उनकी आ
Why does
गई
this
है।
look like Halloween style? It was like dripping blood or something.
सैंडविच होगा।
because it's tomato.
Sandwich.
Tomato and pepper. Juice, we like this one. We've had this one before.
Lychee?
Yeah. Lychee. And a taco pie. And masala chai.
You just,
स्नैक्स वगैरह पे नहीं,
We just
मसाला
do it.
We
चाय
don't have to pay for it.
well, because we paid for it, we paid 30 cents instead of 10
We
cents.
would pay 30 rupees instead of 10.
टिकट में ही हो जाता है सारा।
मतलब टिकट में
Now, how are you supposed to drink that? Are you just supposed to put the powder in your mouth?
No. We can ask for hot water. This is also warm. This is muruki. I can't say this.
Mookie?
Muruku. It looks like little
Cookie?
cookies.
ओह
Not
ये
sweet.
ये क्या है यार?
कैसे का है
You got
इसका
me
नाम
Mookie.
होता है
Oh, fried pakora.
Veg cutlet?
कटलेट तो नहीं है।
No, it's a fried veg. So
Oh, the pakora?
Some kind of like snack mix. Flake cereal based light snack. Yeah, and then
क्या कुछ दिया है यार?
Alright.
alright.
May I have your
वो
attention,
चीजें
please?
दी हैं यार
Our train is about to start in a short while from now. All passengers are requested to occupy their seats.
Yep.
Doors of all the train, all doors are getting
इंग्लिश
closed.
में अनाउंसमेंट हो रही है
Wish you a very happy and
हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में होती है ना
नमस्कार यात्री कृपया ध्यान दें हमारी गाड़ी
This is-
This is the last stop before Pune. So like Pune is the next stop we'll get off.
जगह पर बैठ जाए गाड़ी
आखिरी स्टॉप है हिंदी से पहले
Another hour. It's only 5. We're getting there at 7:10. So
So is this where we go 200 kilometers per hour?
maybe. Let's go. Okay, this is the vada that he was saying earlier, that they put this in between a veg burger and you eat it in the sandwich. He's like, you have to try that. It's like local to Mumbai area. So this is the one. This would go into the burger like he was talking about, but this is just a potato.
नहीं है बड़ा भाई बड़ा पाव के अंदर जो होता है
क्या
ना
कुछ देते हैं यार? देखो।
So these tickets were $15 a piece, and you get the newspaper, you get the water, you get the meal. Pretty darn good value. Although these things are supposed to spin around. These seats.
$15
There's another train that has the spinny seats.
No, these spin, but I don't. The attendants, I think, are supposed to do it.
हाथों पे अच्छा ग्लव्स लगा के मिलता है भाई
बहुत
हाइजीन लेवल चेक करो यार गर्म पानी आया हाँ भाई चाय के लिए ये दूध है शायद दूध है
Yeah. Okay, it's fine, and I have tea.
हाथों पे अच्छा वो ग्लव्स वगैरह चढ़ा के बहुत हाइजीन का ख्याल है यार इसमें
Okay, vanilla. Okay.
मुझे अच्छा लग
Hey,
रहा
get
है
your coffee, and I get my chai. Thank you. Okay, so he was telling us, I was explaining that, like, yeah, in the US we have Starbucks and they have a chai latte, which really just is like a spiced tea, right? But here they call it chai, all teas, right? So anyways, he was saying that the new Starbucks CEO is actually Indian, and he's like, we're hoping that they do it justice and like make a proper masala chai at Starbucks. And he also said that he's from Pune and went to the same school that he did. That's pretty cool. Alright, these people back here have their seats turned and then everyone's like, you can do it too. So let's try it. So I think we push here. Yeah.
Seats
The seats, you have to get up.
हाँ वंदे भारत का
We've got
one
a
of the
chair
best
rotating
feature
party.
है हाँ?
Watch out.
वो उन्होंने जिस तरह की किया मतलब ये फीचर भी है हाँ भाई
Okay, it's over you.
चल ये उन्होंने मोड़ लिया।
Ah. Oh, true.
ये
You have to go
ये
in
फीचर
also.
कैंप नहीं
नहीं
पता
पता
था
था।
Okay. Oh wait, but can you guys do it too? Or no? At the same time? It's not. Okay.
हाँ
You
ये
wait.
feature
You have to
मस्त है
sit,
भाई।
babe.
I don't know what's happening.
Okay. Now there you go.
बहुत
See?
पीछे है ना भाई यार
Yay! So now we can enjoy the view.
अब सही मजा आएगा हाँ? ये फीचर मजा
We won't.
लगाएगा
We'll just turn it back around. No, it's okay. I just wanted to try it.
Their turn too.
Yeah. We were best turns to our friends.
वंदे भारत में यही
And
तो
we
मजे
came
हैं
to
भाई
our
यार।
conversations.
Everybody's moving.
Yeah. That's so funny.
These guys need to get in with the program.
We knew they could turn, we just couldn't figure it out. Thank you.
She said we can sit for a while.
You want to leave it like that?
वापस ठीक
You want to?
We can.
Yeah, I think there's still some space. Yeah, we can leave it for.
You can turn halfway. We'll both turn halfway. Yeah? Like this. That way you can turn some too.
वो अच्छा आधा भी हो जाता है।
Diagonal.
Now these guys are turning back. Oh no, they're just turning a little bit.
They're doing diagonal also.
हाँ,
So these
थोड़ा
guys
सा
can do
टर्न कर दो
diagonal.
ना ताकि आप लोग आराम से मतलब दूसरे भी अपना निकल आ जा सके। हाँ भाई जैसे कि सर 2 वीडियो खत्म मतलब थोड़ा सा टर्न कर दिया तो ताकि मतलब उधर से भी रास्ता बन जाए अगलों की मैं मतलब ख्याल रखूं।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
अगर वो भी इस तरह कर दे तो फिर वो सारा हो जाता है। साथ वाले वो
वैसे
ना
वैसे यार वंदे भारत अगर केरला साइड
बहुत प्यारी ट्रेन
या
है।
और किसी साइड पे जा रही हो और इस तरह कभी वो मोड़ दे
यार,
तो मजा ही आ
मैं
जाता
सच बोल रहा हूँ मैंने पहली बार इतना ये ब्यूटीफुल मतलब एक
ये यार मैंने खुद चेयर
मैंने ये पहली बार देखी है। एग्जीक्यूटिव क्लास मतलब सबसे महंगी क्लास होगी और उसके अंदर ये चेयर्स है
और हर चीज बड़ी वीआईपी दी जा रही है।
और
खाने
वो
के
देखो
लिहाज से
हाथों
देखा
के ऊपर
जाए,
ग्लव्स
स्नैक्स
लगा
वगैरह,
के
सब कुछ, हाँ,
मतलब
हर
प्रॉपर
चीज।
तरीके से हाइजीन का मेंटेन रखा जा
सब
रहा
कुछ किया जा रहा है तो वंदे भारत यार अलग
इनका एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा
और ये
होगा।
अभी नई नई मेरे ख्याल से चली है ना।
हाँ।
वो कह रहे हैं अभी भी नई नई स्मेल आ रही है
इससे आ रही है।
नहीं है
तो यार नई जो वंदे भारत है वो और एडवांस आ रही है तो ये
बिल्कुल।
बहुत अच्छी बात है आप लोगों के लिए। आपके मजे आपका एक बहुत अच्छा ट्रेन सिस्टम है। अभी भी काश इस तरह के मस्त माहौल मिले मजा आ जाए।
सही बात।
आपका किसका कहना है मेरा कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना बहुत ज्यादा ख्याल रखना तो यार।